Picture this, a family wagon, over 2 tons heavy, going head-to-head with an Italian supercar boasting a powerful V10. Who's gonna win? Brake test time. Does heavyweight slow you down, or can crazy power change the game? Stick around for a surprising twist. Check out the Audi RS6. It's got a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 that usually pumps out 600 horsepower. But this baby's been souped up to 840 horsepower with upgraded turbos and a performance exhaust. Just keep in mind, it's heavy over 2,200 kilograms, so don't slip off the line. Italian power. The Lamborghini Huracan Performante packs a 5.2-liter V10 with 640 horsepower and all-wheel drive. Weighing just 1,480 kilograms, it delivers instant throttle response and an epic sound, but it's down 200 horsepower compared to the Audi. Interesting, right? Big quarter-mile races, fast, fun, and full of excitement.
Oh, he bogged down really badly.
Oh, sake, what was that?
I reckon he can do better than that. Way this fast. He had a bad start.
Boom.
The Lamborghini struggles off the line. Cold tires, traction control cuts power. The RS6 takes full advantage and pulls ahead immediately. In drag racing, the launch is half the battle. Second attempt.
Oh, we've got a good launch there.
Good launch!
Oh, it's close.
Best launch yet!
Oh, it's just easing past this is. I think that's that.
Much better launch from the Huracan. The gap is smaller early on, but past 100 meters, the RS6 starts pulling hard. That massive torque kicks in. 1,140 Newton-meters of torque completely offsets the Audi's extra weight. This is the best launch of the day for the Lamborghini, almost perfect. The race is extremely close, but in the final meters, the Audi slowly edges ahead. Official times: RS6, 10.7 seconds, Huracan, 10.8 seconds, just a tenth of a second apart. Brake test. Big surprise, the Audi wins the brake test. The Lamborghini struggles with stiffness and instability under heavy braking. Lesson learned: the fastest car isn't always the best at stopping. The verdict is in: the Lamborghini is lighter and sounds amazing, definitely a supercar. But the tuned Audi RS6, it's a powerhouse with crazy torque and tech, so it takes the win. What about you? Italian supercar or a family wagon that crushes everything? Let me know in the comments.